tat or something like a Mac. Your nigga want it, ain't no coming back. Rat tat 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 tat. Y'all only for the cat. I'm pillin' when I'm steady speaking facts. Tricks wanna step to Shay or then they get played. Cause they bitch made, told a nigga switch.
Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So I have someone's makeup to do this morning, so I'm going to be preparing for the makeup appointment. I'm just making sure my brushes are dry, and they are, thank you Lord, they are dry. I'm getting ready for the appointment. Just setting up. Turn on my TV so music can play. Trying to do like a new setup for makeup, for doing people's makeup, because I normally would have them sit right in front of the desk, but I find that it's not enough room for me to maneuver around. So I'm just gonna put her over here, put my lights on the side of her so that I can see, and just do a couple lights. And yeah, so I'm about to get dressed, brush teeth, wash my face, so I can be prepared for when she gets here. Alright, so I am ready for the appointment that I had to do someone makeup. This is what I'm wearing. I still have this scarf on because my hair is not flat, so this will just have to do. But other than that, I am ready. Just waiting for her to get here. It is 7:21. She's gonna be here at 8. Her appointment starts at 8. So yeah, ready for the appointment. This is the first time I actually done an appointment actually this early, so yeah, kind of exciting, I guess. Like I said, I was going to be turning on these lights that I got from Amazon. I feel like these are the best lights to have when it comes to content creating, because they're portable. As you can see, they give a good lighting on the subject that you are recording. So I really like these two little lights. You really don't need nothing else, like no ring light or nothing else. These two work good. I do plan on getting one more or maybe two more, just to have one like above and then one like directly in front, but you really don't need that. I have this little square little light from Amazon on my camera, so I don't need another one of those. So I was planning on actually getting one more actually. So yeah, actually getting one more light just so I can have like lighting above, so it'll be hitting 3 points, the 3-point lighting system type situation. But yeah, so really love these lights. They are in my Amazon storefront. So yeah, if you are interested, you guys see that it gives off good lighting. Even if I turn this off, it gives off good lighting. Like, it's really good. So yeah, I really love these things. Definitely check them out. Yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready, which I have nothing else to do but to scroll on my phone, but I'm gonna finish getting ready or waiting for the appointment, and then I'll check with you guys after the appointment. I have to wash my hair when she leaves so I can be ready for tomorrow, because we have cousins brunch tomorrow. So yeah, I'll be washing my hair today, and then we have to go to another a balloon release later today, so I need to wash my hair before we go to the balloon release. Yeah, so it's a pretty early day. I've been up since 3 because I couldn't sleep. I think my alarm went off or something happened, or I think I had to go to the bathroom, and yeah, I've been up since 3. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day for me because right after I get through my hair, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be about 1 o'clock or close to 1, which is when we're going to the balloon release. So yeah, a little bit of a long day for me, so pray for me. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to doing other things. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. My camera is on 1%, so I'm just gonna record this real quick. I'm about to head to the bank, and yeah, this is what my hair is giving after washing it. I'm gonna have to touch this up tomorrow in these because I want these to be a little bit more upward, but yeah, about to go to the bank, and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. OOTD. I'm gonna put on my Vans. This is a little crooked, but whatever. Just running to the bank, and this is what I'm wearing to the bank, or what I've decided to wear to the bank. I don't have any shapewear on, but we're going to the bank. Who gives a fuck? Who cares? But yeah, this is what I'm wearing to the bank. Just gonna put on my Vans, my bag, and be out the door. And plus, it's a little gloomy today, so who wants to be all dressed up? It's gloomy. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing to the bank with the kids. Didn't even have to do this. Honestly. Chill out, daddy. Chill out, daddy.
Hey, mama, I'm gonna
He won't let you do nothing, dude.
That is so funny. I'm gonna make it out of that.
They're saying more light is required, but clearly, well, how much more light do we need on the boy? Because he dark skinned. I keep trying to tell you he dark skinned, babe. There's the proof. Right there, daddy. Right, babe? Yeah. He dark skinned, ain't he? He dark skinned, ain't he? Yeah. Yes, he is. Stop playing with my son. See, I'm dark skinned, daddy. He dark skinned. What you talking about?
The one with center.
It's not even heavy.
It's not heavy. It's just the fact that it's just a lot. That's
The center of attention.
You can't say that that's not obnoxious.
The center of attention.
I mean,
The beauty of all.
if you
The
just
maker
at
tracker.
night, it definitely works.
The spot of light.
Okay.
You ain't gotta have it on 24/7.
The only time I do cut it on is when it's like dark.
Turn our flashlight.
That's a color.
Thank you. Dada, you want to know your ruling planet is a Pisces? Because me and Bubba and my brothers.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, Dada!
I still gotta turn my face. I need to get some context.
Bubba, guess what? Our ruling planet is Mercury.
With your crunch berries, or get down with a remix and a bowl of limited edition birthday crunch.
Crunchertize me, Captain!
Join the party. Find Captain
Is it on the way?
Tat-tat-tat, or something like a Mac. Your nigga want it, ain't no coming back.